The French country style first emerged in the 17th century under the reign of Louis XIII. In this era, furniture was big and solid, but opulent and decorative, with geometric carvings and organic motifs. This particular style was meant for the middle class of France. It is sophisticated blend of a few different styles like shabby chic, farmhouse, and traditional. Commonly seen things are delicate furniture, brick floors, fireplaces, and pottery. French country. Similar to transitional modern interior design styles, French country is a hybridized mix of antique French, shabby chic, and farmhouse interior design elements full of cool, grown-up allure. For your home, take note of the room above with its era-less sofa, Louis VI chair redone in a mild century, modern geometric prints, eclectic mix of art pieces, and minimal coffee table as it all about a varied, yet well-judged mix of juxtapositions. Key elements: toile print, Rococo elements, distressed cabinetry, gold and silver accents, silk furnishings, damask designs.